Organizing data. This is a very important aspect in programming in any language. So today we will learn how to organize our data in Matlab. First of all, we'll learn about cell arrays. So unlike simple arrays, cell arrays allow us to store any kind of information in the cells. For example, let's say I have a cell array S. I can have a string in it, I can have another cell in it, I can have an integer array inside it. So let us first of all learn how to define a cell array. So C equals to, unlike arrays where we use square brackets, in cell arrays we used curly brackets. Okay, now let me define a cell array. Hello world, one, two. So here I have a little cell array in which the first row is of strings and the second row is of integers. Okay, now I can have a cell inside a cell. For example, I define another cell array S equals to this is a array C C C. So here I have is this cell array S equals to column 1 to 2. This is a cell array, and the second row would be 2 cross 2 cell, 2 cross 2 cell, 2 cross 2 cell. So you can see we can have a cell inside a cell array. Okay, now let us define another cell array. Okay, so this is another cell array C, in which is a 3 cross 3 cell array, and in which we have a variety of data structures inside it. Now how do I access individual items? So that is just like the way we do in normal arrays. We use round brackets. Suppose I have to access the first row and the first column element. So I will say A equals to C 1 comma 1. So I got A equals to determining tools. Had I typed A equals to 1 comma 2, I would have got hello world. Okay, so this is how we define cell arrays, and this is how we access the elements of cell arrays. In the second part of this video, we will learn how to learn about structures. Structures are also like cell arrays. Structures contain fields of a variety of data types. Now the two ways of defining a structure: either we can define a structure the normal way, the way we define arrays and cell arrays. For example, like this. Suppose I want to define a structure. So the keyword here to define a structure would be struct. We use round brackets for defining in this manner. I say A 5 B 10 C 12. So an interesting thing to note here is that in structures every field has a name, unlike cell arrays. The elements of cell arrays do not have a name. However, the elements of structures always have a name. So here, when I define this, I basically meant define a structure with the first field whose name is A and its value is 5, the second field whose name is B, its value is 10, and the third field whose name is C and the value is 12. Okay, and here it says A5, B10 and C12. Now the second way to define structures would be structure dot A equals to 7. sorry, I initially had this variable, so let me have a new variable. Struct1 dot a equals to 7. Struct1 dot b equals to 8, and struct1 dot c equals to 9. So here I have my structure 1.